If you believe creating a character like mine and getting it to read your script is a difficult task, then today I'm going to make it simple for you. You'll learn how to create, animate, and move a character like mine. And the best part is, it's completely free. You can use this animated character in your videos to make them more engaging and visually appealing. Ever wondered how to create a lifelike, talking, and walking AI avatar for your YouTube videos? Let me show you how. In today's video, I'll be taking you through the 5 simple free tools I use to bring this AI avatar to life. Leonardo AI, Kling AI, CapCut Text-to-Speech, a PowerSoft, and Dreamface app. First, I designed my character using Leonardo AI. Then, I used Kling AI to add movements to the avatar. For the voice, I turned to CapCut Text-to-Speech to generate exactly what I wanted the character to say. Next, I imported the videos created by Kling AI into CapCut and merged them. Finally, I synced the character's lips with the audio using the Dreamface app. Don't worry, you can access both Dreamface and CapCut versions through the link in my Discord server, and you'll find the link in the comments section as well as in the video description. All the prompts I used to create this video will also be available for you in the description below. Ready to create your own AI character? Let's get started. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Once you're subscribed, let's move on to step 1. First, go to the Leonardo AI website and log in. From there, click on Image Creation to open the Creation page. On the left side, you'll see a model present. We'll change it from Phoenix to Flux Dev and set the style to Dynamic. Next, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio for the image. Now that our settings are ready, it's time to write the prompt. I'll paste in the prompt for my character and click Generate. After a few seconds, our realistic character will be ready, and here it is, the character we've created. Want to make your AI character even more personalized? Let me show you how. If you'd like, you can change the color of your character's hoodie or adjust the lighting in the studio room. To do this, simply paste the prompt into ChatGPT and ask it to change the surroundings and lighting of the room. ChatGPT will create a new prompt for you. Once you get the new prompt, copy it and paste it into Leonardo AI to generate the updated image. After a few moments, the image will be ready, and you'll see just how amazing the results are. This is how you can easily create characters in various styles. Want to create a cinematic style portrait for your character? Let's do it. If you're looking for a portrait in cinematic style, I've got a prompt for that too. But first, we need to adjust a few settings. Go to the Style section, scroll down, and select Portrait Cinematic. Now, we'll generate the image with these settings. And as you can see, our cinematic character is ready. The studio room and lighting in the image also look fantastic, giving it that perfect cinematic feel. Want to create a girl character or try some cool new styles? Let's see how it's done. Creating a girl character is just as easy. Simply replace man with woman, he with she, and his with her in the prompt, then generate the image, and your character will be ready. If you're not happy with the result, you can always try again. I'll also share a couple of other prompts with examples. The first one is for a girl in a sari, and the second is for an animated character. You don't need to stress about writing the prompts. Just tell ChatGPT, write this in 3D Pixar style, or make the girl wear a sari instead of a hoodie, and ChatGPT will do the rest for you. And that's it for our first step, creating a character. Now feel free to download any image you like and start using it. Ready to bring your character to life? Let's move on to animating it. Now let's move on to our second step, which is animating the character. For this, we'll use Kling AI. After opening the website, click on Video, and a screen like this will appear. We'll select Image to Video, and then we can upload our image. Once the image is uploaded, we'll head over to Google Docs, where I've created a prompt sheet for you. To create the first clip with talking and hand gestures, we'll copy prompt 1 and paste it below in the provided section. After that, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see the option for negative prompt. In this section, we'll write down anything we don't want in our video, such as blurry faces, crooked hands or legs, or anything else that might make the video look unnatural. Once you've added that, simply click on Generate, and in just a short time, your video will be ready. As you can see, our character has started speaking, complete with hand movements. It looks like they are explaining something, bringing the character to life. Now, let's make our character stand up from the chair. To do that, we need to download the video we just created. First, head over to this website, where we'll upload our video to get the final frame. Once you upload the video, we'll open it and choose Video. We're doing this because we need the last frame of the video, which we'll use to create a seamless transition with Kling AI. Click on the final part of the video and select Start. Processing. The website will give us 4 frames. The 4th frame is the one we need. Simply click on it, and it will be downloaded. Next, we go back to Kling AI, upload the image we just downloaded, and in the prop box, enter prompt 2 for making the character get up from the chair. Leave the negative prompt the same, and click Generate. Our video is ready. You can see that now our character has stood up while speaking. By using the last frame from each video, we can smoothly transition to the next scene, picking up right where the previous one ended. I hope you understand the concept of using the last frame for seamless video continuity. Now we'll download this video and follow the same process again. Upload the video to the website, extract the last frame, download it, then upload it to Kling AI, write the prompt for the next character movement, and voila, our next video is ready. Our character is now speaking while walking and also making hand movements. Now we need to create one more video where our character speaks and sits back down in his chair. Here's how we'll do it. First, download the video we just made. Then, go to the website, upload the video, and download the final frame, just like before. However, this time the process is a bit different. We'll be using 2 images. Upload the image we just downloaded to Kling AI. Once uploaded, you'll see options for the start frame and end frame. The image we uploaded will serve as the start frame, and the end frame is where we want the character to be. In this case, sitting back in the chair. To get the end frame, we'll upload the character image we created earlier using Leonardo AI. Now both images are uploaded. Next, we'll generate the video by writing the prompt 4 and also adding the negative prompt. Once you click Generate, the video will be ready, and you'll see the character speaking while walking and then sitting back in his chair. Want to learn how to make perfect transitions and smooth voiceovers for your AI characters? Let's break it down step by step. The result is right here. Our character has smoothly transitioned back to where it started. By now, you should understand how it works like a seamless transition. I'll show you a few more examples so you don't have any doubts. Otherwise, you might later wonder if the free version works as well as the premium. Yes, sometimes you might not get the perfect video on the first try, and that's okay. If humans aren't perfect, how can we expect AI to be perfect? The key is to keep trying and learning. Now that all our videos are ready, let's move on to the next step, generating a voiceover for our character. For this, we'll use CapCut text-to-speech. In the text box, type what you want your character to say. Then choose the voice you prefer and generate the speech. Once it's ready, listen to it. If you're happy with how it sounds, go ahead and download it. The 4th step is merging all our videos. To do this, we'll use CapCut. Open CapCut, click on New Project, and import all 4 videos in sequence. Play the video from the beginning to see everything flow smoothly. If you notice any small differences or something feels off, you can adjust it. Simply click on the video and go to Adjust from the options below to make the necessary tweaks. Next, we can add transitions between the videos. To do this, go to Transitions, select Mix Transition, and set it to the minimum for a smooth effect. If you'd like to hide the watermark, simply add any social icon and drag it to cover the watermark throughout the video. Once everything is set, click on Export at the top to export your video. And there you go. Our videos are now merged and ready to go. Ready to make your character talk and move perfectly? Let's add the finishing touch with lip syncing. There's just one last step left, lip syncing. To do this, we'll open the Dream Face app, which is still free to use. First, go to the Avatar video section. Select the video we just made with CapCut and confirm the selection at the top. Our video is now chosen. You'll see several options here. If you want, you can write text, import audio, or even record your own voice to make the character speak. Since we already have the voiceover, we'll click on Import, select from Files, and upload our audio. After confirming, click on the Generate button. Now wait for about a minute or 2, and your video will be ready with perfect lip syncing. Once it's done, it will appear on the creation page. To save it, simply click on Save at the bottom. And, just like that, your talking, walking, and moving character is ready. In today's video, we learned how to create a character with Leonardo AI, animate it with Kling AI, and do lip syncing. Now, you can create funny character movements and lip syncing, then share them on social media. I hope you liked the video. I've explained the entire process step by step so you won't need to look elsewhere. That's a wrap for today. Let me know your thoughts on the AI tool. I hope you enjoyed the tour. All relevant links are in the description and pinned in the comments. Feel free to share your opinions and results in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tutorials like this one. If you're curious about HiDream AI Best New AI Image Generator, click on the video on the left. If you're ready to learn Feelin AI, the best new AI character chat platform online, click on the video to your right. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Happy Learnify AI, goodbye.